We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Video we will learn about extrude in AutoCAD. To create extrude, we need to first create 2D geometry with the help of 2D commands. So I will choose polyline or P line as a command, and now I will going to create a 2D geometry. First I will click first point, then I will define dimension as a 30, then again 30 and 20, 20, 50 and again 50. So this is my 2D geometry. I can also create 2D geometry with the help of line, but to create a 2D geometry with the help of line and then go for extrusion, we need to in between create region to convert 2D geometry in region. With the help of polyline we can directly create region. So this is my region that I need to extrude. Extrusion command is used to push or pull this 2D geometry. So I will type ext as extrude. AutoCAD will ask to select 2D geometry. So I will select this object, then I will press enter. Now AutoCAD will ask to define height of extrusion. I will define 10 as a height of extrusion. So this is my extruded part that I have created from 2D geometry with the help of polyline. Is clearly seen. I can see the total procedure I have followed. I have first used P line or polyline command. Then I have created 2D geometry by defining different points and dimension. Then I go for extrusion and I have selected 2D geometry and have defined the height of extrusion. I can copy this procedure and can press paste on Word. So I can clearly see. First I have used P line command and defined several points to create 2D geometry. Then I go for extrusion. I have selected object. Then I have defined the height of extrusion. So this is all procedure to create extruded part in AutoCAD. Thank you. For any query, please comment on comment box.